This gorilla looked really sad, so we held up a picture of a female gorilla, and he came right over. He really liked the one with boobs.
Okay.
Oh shit!
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Wait till you see the. No.
Uh-oh.
What?
People.
Everyone needs a little time to relax. And since we switched the game fabrics off.
What's up, guys? Today for brunch I'm cooking eggs, and I wanted to share the best ingredient in my opinion for eggs. Thank you. Seasoning salt.
Milo, I have something to tell you. You're adopted.
Here comes the man. Hello, adult man. Welcome, taxpayer.
Why is it spicy?
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
А здесь глубина. Ты нормальный, Боба? Ты нормальный?
No! No!
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Every time my dad finishes a meeting, he says, "Thanks, guys," and I know it's time for a pat.
Thanks, guys. Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Relax. I just want to take some pictures.
You want to take a drive to Starbucks?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. He's so fluffy.
I know. Can you believe it? I mean, that's what she said. She said that you're ugly.
Watch my puppy fake a broken leg.
Привет. Падай.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. You.
You know how to get yourself down. Monroe, what are you doing?
Stay.
This family makes me want to murder people.
No, but yeah. Your problem.
Hey, buddy. Want this Cheetos? Jesus Christ! Oh God! Not again! Not again! Not again!
Joey, hey. That's you.
What did you do? It was you! Whoa!
Good evening. Tonight's top story, everything is awful. Well,
Hi.
Angel, can I get an apple?
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Oh! Drag it in. Block.
Hey, cuz. What are you?
What is that, Racy?
She's a precious angel. Oh. Okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Alright, birthday dinner for the Sochi. Big 3 years old. He's got steak, sweet potato.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. I'm dead again. I'm up.
First they're sour, then they're sweet.
It's okay.
Sour Patch Kids.
You're trying to tell me there's people that can look at a face like that and still not like cats? What kind of psychopathic, narcissistic, red flag having pieces?
No.
5 simple steps to get your dog to respect you. Step number 1. Hey!
His meow is so quiet.
Oh my god.
What? I got your belly.
I said, do you wanna fight me?
I don't wanna be petted. Do not